All right, we're gonna do a test drive of our 1963 220 SE. I just did the cold start video and then let the car run out here for a little bit to warm up. But we'll fire it up and go for a test drive. Barks right to life. And I'm gonna keep my window down today, even though it's gonna make for a little more noise in the cockpit here. It's just a very warm day and there's no AC in this car. However, the AC that was originally in this car was removed. It wasn't working when it was removed, but we've got it, and all the parts go with the car, the underdash unit, all the stuff. But it'll certainly need sorting and probably a new compressor and whatnot before it does anybody any good. You all right? I'm coming. I've got the... All right, take two. We're gonna try this again. I don't know if you could see what was going on there, but this guy pulled into the driveway when he saw the car on his motorcycle and it fell over on him. And I helped him up and got him inside. He was having some problems with the heat. I got him a wet towel to put on his neck. And he's all recuperated. And he's gonna head off on the bike now, so. Take it easy, man. Thanks. All right. So you can see what we've got here in terms of the steering wheel and its alignment. I'm going straight, but you can see the wheels turned, and that is straight down the road in fourth gear. You'll see from the pictures and the description that this car no longer has its original Mercedes-Benz fuel injection. It's got modern electronic fuel injection. It wasn't running real well with the original mechanical system on it, so the owner removed the mechanical fuel injection and put on a modern system. We have all the parts for the original fuel injection system, but it will certainly be ready for a rebuild of the mechanical fuel injection if somebody chooses to put that back on this car. I think this is probably a great, fairly cost-effective entry level for an honest-to-goodness open 4-seat 111 Mercedes-Benz convertible. But there'll certainly be some tinkering one can do to bring it back to its full glory. But just as it is, it actually drives pretty well. One of the most beautiful designs ever. What is this guy doing? Seriously, dude? I don't know if you can see on the camera, you probably cannot, but my speedometer is inoperable, as well as my tachometer. The fuel gauge reads on reserve all the time, despite the fact that I put about 8 gallons of gas in the car. It still reads as empty. Our temperature gauge, or rather water temperature, is working perfectly and right where you want it to be, right at about 180 degrees Celsius. And oil pressure is up at 45, which is where you want that. So you've got nice heater levers here. They aren't broken off. You've got your original Europa radio. Car apparently spent many years in Puerto Rico, and you can see the results of some of the salt air on some of the bright work on the exterior and on the interior, for that matter. Dusty construction zone here. There you go. I still feel like $1 million driving a car like this, though. All right, that's a 1963 220 SE Cabriolet.